Nigerians are loving people. Well, during this riding, on my bicycle, there's a Nigerian flag on my bicycle. Yeah. So when I'm riding, so many people, when they see me with Nigerian flag, they will say, "Oh, young man, what are you doing? Oh, what are you doing?" I will try to explain to them. Some will give me a token of money and a token of cash, and some will give me food. I have some persons who do show me love by paying for my hotel bills. Some person who do pay for my food, and some person who, even though if I have breakdown on my bicycle, like, oh, they will like pay for the mechanic that fixed my bicycle and all of that. So people have been showing me love, and while other persons have like, oh, you're sacrificing yourself for this country. Oh, Nigeria does not want it. Oh, so some person, when they see Nigerian flag, they say, "Hey, get out from here. Why are you carrying? Come on, this is it a country? You're carrying this flag. This flag is nothing. It's just bullshit." So stuff like that. So, but then a lot of Nigerians have really given me a warmly reception. Like talking about my riding from Abuja to Lagos, I was able to meet with Oni or Ife, the Yoruba king in Ife, Osun State. So I was in his palace. He received me. He come out from the palace to welcome me. He encouraged me. We take pictures together, and he gave me some cash to take care of myself and continue riding to Lagos. So people have been actually giving me that very, very wonderful reception and love and care. So many people, so many Nigerians have been really appreciating of the effort of what New Hope Adventure is doing for uniting and for the betterment of our country. So I really appreciate them. So this is the experience I've been having. It's actually a positive one. Yeah.